Hello, good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. We are on an adventure today. As you can hear, we are in the city, and this is the sound of the city. We're heading to the market. We're gonna get breakfast. We're gonna come home. We canceled our afternoon lunch because we're meeting up with a friend at 3, and that should be fun. This is a restaurant that I like. He has never been. And he loves Mexican food. Outside, do you like other food besides Mexican food? Hi. Well, let's see your reaction to this food we're gonna have today. It's a beautiful restaurant, small, cozy, and I'll tell you more about that later. We gotta catch a metro. Is it metro or metrobus? Metrobus.
A metrobus bus.
Metrobus bus, okay. So we're gonna top up. You pay using your card, but here we're using cash. Oh, they don't accept that money.
No, it's because I have.
Ah, well, let it stay. That's enough. We have enough money.
Yeah.
So I'm on the metro bus, and a couple years ago there was a protest because people in the neighborhood was protesting not to have the metro bus, but I didn't mind. I like taking public transportation for I don't know why, but I do. And now everyone is taking it, and it's a straight ride downtown. I'm in the section that is for women, the pink section, and that section is for everybody and men. But here's a man sitting here. Does this section applies to men?
Yes. Yeah.
If they're old, okay. So this section applies to men too if they're old. Though the mask is not mandatory anymore in the city, a lot of people still do wear the mask. Most people on the bus still wear the mask. Bienvenido La Ciudadela. What time is it? It's quite early. Super early. Nothing is open yet. But the first thing we're gonna get is food. Food is always a good idea. No one is open. Not everywhere is open. And what time is it? It's after 10. It's after 10, and the restaurant is not open. It's the only one inside that we always come to for food. So he's looking for where we can have food. Chinatown. See, the smallest Chinatown in the world is in Mexico City. So we're looking to get into Testa. We end up finding a place here called Testa. We've been here together. We've been here with the family. We were hoping to get food in Chinatown, but nothing was open. So he suggested we come here, and it's not a bad idea because I like the food here. And so here we are in Testa. Tomar.
Jugo de mandarina, naranja. ¿O quiere algo con alcohol?
Con alcohol. Okay.
No es muy temprano.
No. ¿Qué recomiendas? ¿Energética? Energético. Ajá. Ok.
No tiene cacahuate, ¿verdad?
Ok, gracias. Guess what my expectations were? The actual frutos rojo. It smells nice, but then I realized it's a tea bag, and I'm not gonna complain. It smells nice, and I like tea, so. You ordered the same?
No, yo ordered it.
Huh? Ah. Yes.
Gracias.
Gracias. Provecho. Well, we're back in Chinatown. What do you guess? Breakfast was tasty, delicious. The tea was not my favorite, but the food was good, service was good, people were nice, and so we're going back to Ciudadela. Look at the tiny one. Let's go. We are back to get gifts. I think I need to brush up on my French. We're going that way or that way? So it's a beautiful morning. We got everything. Hey, I'm back. So we came home and rested a bit. And now we are headed out for lunch and dinner. We had cancelled another reservation we had at another Italian or Spanish restaurant. Now we're going to the Singaporean restaurant. Open. Yeah. Let's see. The driver is here. Oh my goodness, we have 8 minutes late. But yeah, I'll take you with me to the restaurant. Are you ready, buddy? Wait. I gave you the address. Do you want to check to see if we can? Okay. I didn't know that. Buenas tardes. See.
We are Evans.
What is it? Dumplings. Brisket dumplings. I like that one because it has a lot of we had food at ¿cómo se llama? Makan, and it's a Singaporean word which means eat. Food was good, food was delicious. What do you think?
Yeah, it was good.
Out of
Producing.
5 out of 5, or how much out of 5 would you say?
I think a 4.
A 4? Tell me why.
The flavor, I was looking for a certain
Flavor that hits home,
yeah, exactly.
and it didn't hit home.
Yeah, but overall I think it was
Okay.
fair.
Okay, and how much you say out of 5?
5.
5? Okay.
But I don't know. It might be missing the hot flavor.
Yeah.
The laksa looked good.
Yes. I think I don't like laksa. I've had it before at another restaurant called Choza. And I did Choza. Have you been?
I haven't, but someone told me it was good.
It's good. Like their roti made me cry because it reminds me of home. Literally.
Oh my god.
Yes.
It's in Roma, right?
Yes, it's on the main road. It's on Monterey. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Their food is good. Yeah.
So in Jamaica you have a lot of
We have Indian influence. Asian. Huh? Oi. The Jamaican color. Yeah. How do you know a Jamaican? What's the tag of a Jamaican? Tell me you're a Jamaican without saying you're Jamaican.
It's the green.
It's the black, green, and gold.
The thing is with red, but red is
Ethiopian flag, yeah.
very sad.
It's the possibility. And there you have your Edinburgh.
Your teller is the Michoacan. Toreo? Torreon de Michoacan. Coahuila. Torreon, Coahuila. Gracias. And the shop that we just left, they use 100% cotton, which is from Torreon, Coahuila, and they collaborate with this other store called Long Mexico. So I can bring my material, give them my design, and they will make whatever I want, says Lillian, the lady from the store. So I'm gonna check that out and tell you about that maybe if it goes well. Spot is very crowded. I don't think I'm gonna get ice cream, but
It's from Buenos Aires.
the ice cream is from Clásico de Argentina, and for this reason we have a good crowd of people outside and inside waiting. So we just finished having gelato at Fredo,
Fredo.
and we're heading back home, and we're gonna end by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.